Do you want to change your phone number on WhatsApp without deleting the app? In this video, I will show you how to change your phone number without changing your account or without deleting the app and install it again. So, to know how to do this, just follow me step by step. The first thing you have to do is to go to WhatsApp app, like this, WhatsApp, and you will click here. Then in this first page, you will find these three dots, so you will click on three dots on above here. Then here in this list, you will enter to settings. After that, here in this window, you will find account, so you will tap on your account, and then here in this list you will find change phone number, so you will tap on change phone number in that way. And then here in this page, as you see, you will find change your phone number will migrate your account info, groups and settings. Before proceeding, please confirm that you are able to receive SMS or calls at your new number. If you have both a new phone and a new number, first change your number on your old phone, so you will click on next. And here, as you see, you will find your old number, and here you have to add your new number, and when you add your new number you can click on next. And here in that way you can be able to add or to change your phone number without deleting your app completely and without deleting your account. So that's it. If you are enjoying watching this video, and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.